Before we begin, draw yourself this rectangle. Now on the first two rectangles, draw your head. It's a big circle. For the eyes, we're going to use a protractor. My protractor is set to around an inch. So the eye is almost 2 inches. And try to make them pretty centered. Now let's add the arcs in the eyes and the little circle. Then the eyeliner and eyelashes. The mouth and the nose. Then the eyebrows. She has her bangs right in front. So I just make like a D. And then the ears with the squiggly inside. The hairline is going to be little wavy lines. And then her buns, we're going to use a protractor again and add the wavy lines around it. Her bangs have lines, so we're going to create random lines. And then for her body, she has a pear shape as well. And then the arms and the legs are pretty chubby. So we are going to create the line so they can be even. So on this one, I created the legs too low, but I will fix them. Well, the knees, they're too low, but I'll fix it later on. And then the hands. For the dress, we're going to add the little skirt. And then this dress has little ruffles underneath. And then we're fixing the legs, making the knees higher. And then her hands, she has them open. Now let's go over with marker, and I'm going to start with the eyes and add like an eyeliner with the thick marker. And then I will outline the eye and color in the middle. Then with the thinner marker, we're going to go around on the two arcs. Then the eyelashes and the mouth and the nose are going to be thin. And then we're going to color in the eyebrows. The bangs are going to be with a thicker marker. And then the rest of the hair will be with a thinner marker so we can add more detail with the squiggles. The ears with the thin marker, and then the rest of the face with the thicker marker. Her dress is with the thick marker, and then the ruffles are going to be with the thin marker. And we are going to add lines, and we are going to color them every other line. And the little ruffles that we created as well. Alright, now the shoes, we're going to draw them and add the bow first and then the rest of the shoe. The legs with the thin marker and the arms with the thin marker as well. We're going to color the doll brown and smudge it with a Q-tip to make it even, and then the hair and the dress is going to be a dirty yellow to make it look like gold, and add white spots to make it look like glitter. The eyes are going to be brown. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, and if you would like to see the updates, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.